Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today in this video I'm going to install this Chinese RX 590 graphic cards from the China. So that says they're from AMD though, but this is a complete Chinese graphic card. It's another copy of RX 580 series. So this is RX 590. Let's quickly install it and see if it works well in our computer. Let's go for it. Came out. I thought there were some green lines in my monitor. This is a pretty old monitor that I have right now because I sold the current one which I had before for the games. Dialog from the DXDI AG. Yep, that's what we need. Go for it. Go, yes, amazing. But here we go for the display. I mean, we didn't get the render information yet, which is crazy. I don't understand how. Wow, I mean, system's lagging a lot. System's lagging a lot. Whoa, this is definitely not the expected one then. You may be able to turn things on, but you won't be able to have the same fun that you used to do before. Let's click on the not responding thing. It already comes off. Okay, we don't have a graphic card yet. Right, Windows update. Okay, maybe we need to update the drivers. Then we'll probably have a chance. Let's go for the Windows updates probably. Let's go to updates. Let me quickly check the updates and I'll get back to you. Okay, it seems like our graphic cards is installing the updates. So we have the advanced micro devices. Basically, that's a display that we are waiting for. Yeah, let's click on download and install everything. Let's get back once it is all done. So one quick update that we have here is we need to install the AMD software installer because the Windows update didn't really work. So I downloaded the AMD software installer by going to the AMD driver and support center, and here I downloaded for Windows. You can choose for the Linux if you have one, so you can explore the options, software type and all the stuff. I mean, all the things. I'll just keep it as it is. I'll accept and express install it because we need everything coming with this, because it also shows that it's a 590 GME, the official version of the AMD. It is showing up. I don't understand how, but that's clean, and I mean, I'm really happy with it. So basically there's no branding. The branding is Joshua or something, but we got it done, guys. We have it all. I mean, I'm really happy for that. Let's quickly go ahead and download and install these packages, then I'll come back to you. So we have the installation complete. Let's click on finish. Yeah, I don't think we need this thing, but yes. So something's loading up and all the things got refreshed. I'm not sure what's happening, but something is happening for sure. Yo, I just clicked on refresh and things were gone. I mean, is this how it works? This is crazy. Some sort of crazy things happening. Let's check. If you still got the graphic cards in. There we go. We have display, but we don't have the input yet. I mean, we do have a display showing that AMD Radeon 590, but that is coming as internal DSC, but it should be an external. This should come under render. But fine, should be fine. So VRAM is about 8 GB. Damn it, that's huge. It's really good. Input and all the stuff looks fine. And AMD Ryzen 5, 16 gigs of RAM, should be doing well in the settings. Let's quickly explore more options. Let us quickly restart things, but before that, let's finish the Windows updates. I don't know, I mean, if it's all doing well, installation, so these things should work too. Let me quickly try those too. So I have the Tech Power GPU Z, it's running, and I also have the Furmark Gigs 3D. So basically this is a benchmark testing tool, so it will overclock or maybe do the stress test to your GPU. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run the benchmark P1080, and that's how it goes. Takes a while, a lot of graphics things gonna happen, a lot of heating and all the things. It is benchmarking. As you can see, it's an 8%, 9%. The CPU goes hard now. The GPU it has to handle the pressure that it is creating, all the 3D renders that is performing right now. It might take a while. Let's come back to it once it's done. So we are 9900 and we're done. So 3080 points, 51 FPS. Gosh, that's bad, I can say. 64-degree maximum temperature. It reached 64. That's huge, man. Trust me. Okay, let's just do the run test. So full mark GL. I'm gonna set this and 9020 1080, and this is the GPU that I have right now. So let's click on run. Let's do this thing again. So from this we can understand it's running at around 50 FPS on average. That's what we've have observed in the benchmark test. So RX 590 GME, as you can see, the fan is 0 RPM. Strange that it is not operating the fan at all. 65 is the maximum that we have reached now. I mean, it's best that we stop it right now. But yes, so not a great one, I can say. So maybe you can plan to get this thing done only as an option. So temperature is pretty going down a bit right now. I mean, the GPU usage has come down as well. So we have got the results, and this is what it is for this pretty graphic cards at the lowest budget Chinese graphic cards. And if you can go for it, and if you're low on budget, you can go for it for the general gaming and all the stuff. I would also put the gaming reviews on the same channel on AMD, the similar device. I'll be attaching the links in the description. And that's it. Thanks for watching the video. Have a good day. Peace out.